With great power comes great responsibility. I'm sure you have heard that before. And with great claims from headphone manufacturers comes great risks. Now today we have, ladies and gentlemen, the Nuraphone. These are designed in Australia and made in China, just like the good old AKG headphones. Now, this is my first time with this box as well, so today I'm gonna open these up and I'm going to give you my first impression, what I think about them. Is it gimmicky or is it really doing what it's supposed to be doing? Now, these headphones have been getting me very excited because this headphone claims that it can listen to your ears and cater towards the way you and I listen to music. So, having reviewed many headphones, I don't really exactly know what I like. I mean, I like all of them. I like every headphone for what they are. Of course, unless they're crappy. So I'm really excited to find out if these headphones can make me realize what kind of sound I'm looking for. So today, this is my first time with this headphone box as well. So we're gonna unbox it and then we're gonna see if it's a gimmick. And I'm gonna give you my first impression and then I'm gonna do a full review. So make sure you're subscribed for that. Let's get to it. Wow, interesting. Paper foam, recyclable with paper, 100% biodegradable. And inside the paper box is another case, a very nice case. Is this leather? I love the leather. That is so satisfying. And then so here's the headphone. And my first impression looking at this headphone is like, what the hell? Like, it has like an earbud design. I mean, is that gonna even fit in my ears? Earbud thing over here is supposed to go into your ears, analyze it, and then it's gonna give you the sound you're looking for. So I am super skeptical about this. But first glance, damn, build quality. This thing is, woo, build quality. The pads are super weird. It's like, it feels like human skin. Oh, that feels weird. You feel penetrated. It's like you're wearing a headphone, but there's an earphone inside already, which has never happened to me before. So now you open the app, and whoa, that's pretty cool. That's this headphone right here. Connect your Nuraphone. I'll have to create an account. I'll sign in with our MBT Studio. Age 100, gender male. Actually, prefer not to say. I would like to sign up to no. I have a, yeah, sure. Don't do that. Don't do that, guys. Read before doing it. Welcome, NBT. Are you ready to discover your perfect sound? Yes, start. Find a quiet space. Okay, continue. Put on your headphones. Your Nuraphones will automatically switch on when you place on your head. Ooh, automatically. I like that. So what basically happened there was this headphone just told me to shut up and not say a word. And then it analyzed my ears. And somehow it figured out how I like my music. And I didn't even know what I like. Just as a normal headphone, this thing is incredible. Ooh, the bass. Alright, let's switch to personalized. You've got to be kidding me. I wish you can hear this. Apparently, I like a lot of bass. Ooh! That is actually rumbling. It has a lot of bass to begin with. And then it introduced more low end to an extent where the headphone was vibrating. Did I like the experience? Well, I was brain shocked for sure, but I think this is like EQ done right kind of thing. Because as you know, not all headphones respond well to EQ. I don't know, I have to play around with it and see what it's exactly doing and if I like it or not. It is a very wow moment for sure. When the music kicks in, it's So there you have it, guys. This was my first impression and the unboxing video, and I'll come back with the review in the future. I'll see you guys in the next one. Shh.